I'm done with 360 waves. What's good, gang? It's your boy, Jaay Cassanova, and you already know by the title, it's I'm done with 360 waves. Yeah. I'm done with 360 waves. But that don't mean I'm never coming back to the waves. I'm growing my hair out. I had waves for 3 years and some months, and I enjoy having the waves. I love the waves, and it's not that I'm never gonna come back to the waves, but I'm just gonna grow my hair out. And yeah, no, a new little haircut. Don't mind that. But yeah, it's not that I don't enjoy the waves or I don't like having them. Just try something different, and I'm gonna try to get Freeform dreadlocks. Let's see, but I never had Freeform dreadlocks. I never had dreads before, so I want to try something different and try something new. And what I'm gonna do with my channel, I need y'all to give me some ideas, because this is why I haven't been uploading, because I've been busy with online school, and I have no idea. Like, I don't know what to upload. I don't know what y'all want to see. And if y'all can help me, like with some ideas, I would really appreciate it. You already know a young boy birthday coming up next month, October 11th. Write that down if y'all need to. I'm gonna give y'all some time. Done? Okay. Yeah, October 11th. It's my birthday. And yeah, y'all just give me some ideas on what y'all want to see on this channel. I don't know if y'all want to see monkey videos. I don't know about pranks, but let me know if y'all want to see pranks. Basically, I'm turning this to entertainment channel, basically. So y'all give me some ideas. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, so I might show y'all what my hair look like. It looks so ugly. I don't know if I want to show it. I didn't get a haircut since I scalped. Not scalp. I did not show y'all, but I scalped like around like July or August. It's July, around July. But I scalped around August, and I've been trying to get 540 waves, and my hair was uneven, so I like bump it and then grow out my hair. So this is where I'm at. I'm growing out my hair, getting Freeform dreadlocks, trying to, and my hair do not look good. To me, it don't. But when I go to the barber, I'm getting a temple fade. It's just an edge all around. And yeah, let me know what y'all want to see on this channel. I appreciate y'all, and we almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're currently at 889 subscribers, and I appreciate y'all. Keep grinding. Let's keep grinding. Family, y'all my family. I love y'all. Just keep me motivated. We're just gonna keep grinding till we hit 1K. And yeah, I just know what it is. Yeah, I love y'all. Subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see, please. And don't skip this, because I need y'all to listen all the way through. So let me know what y'all want to see. I love y'all. And Jaay Cassanova out. I love y'all. I know I'm saying too much, but I do. And peace.